But tonight is about relationships, okay? Namely, marriages. All right, we've covered a lot of ground to get to this point. And the reason why I'm so passionate around this area is because here's the thing. Everybody knows we have an enemy. Right? We have an enemy. It's not your spouse, right? It's not. But here's the deal: the enemy of our soul, if he can't get you to not connect with God, if that's it, if he can't get you to stay disconnected from God, the next thing he's going to come after you, especially as leaders, is your relationships. If he can't get you to be swelled up with pride or cap you with all the big threes that people, money, lust, and pride and arrogance, if he can't get you thrown off in that, he's going to come after your family. Right? And when he comes after your family, he's going to come after relationships first. And the marriage is the sweetest reward that he could possibly sink his teeth into. If he can get his teeth into anything, if he can get it there, he can have your mind all off things of God, and he can cap what God is trying to do. Does that make sense? Everybody want to clap? Okay, oh man, you guys are dialed in.